Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the header template and enabling the built-in sticky option. Open the header template in Elementor and select the top section or header widget you built. Once selected, go to Advanced Right Arrow Motion Effects and toggle Sticky to Top, then pick which devices should use the sticky behavior. Make sure the header is set to a display condition so it appears site-wide or where you need it. This ensures the sticky rules apply immediately when you preview or publish. Now you fine-tune how the sticky header behaves so it looks professional and avoids layout issues. Adjust the sticky offset to prevent sudden shifts. This creates space before the header fixes. Increase the header z-index so it stays above sliders and pop-ups. Use entrance animations sparingly to smooth transitions. Once done, switch to tablet and mobile views and override sticky or padding as needed. Responsive tweaks stop overlapping and ensure touch targets remain reachable without hiding important content. Finish by thoroughly testing the sticky header and fixing edge cases. Preview the site in multiple browsers and devices and clear browser plus site caches to see live behavior. If elements still overlap, add minimal custom CSS, position, fixed fallback, or adjust z-index values. If the header won't stick, inspect parent containers for overflow, hidden or position properties, and check for theme or plugin JavaScript conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: disabling overflow on parent sections and ensuring the header is top level usually resolves most sticky issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.